So this was supposed to be a full front axle replacement video. The axle is already in because I forgot to hit record. Every impact wrench video online does the same thing. They remove lug nuts, and that tells you basically nothing. This is a realistic driveway axle swap, and this is where impact wrenches actually get used. Let me explain what this job actually involved. I removed the brake caliper, popped the lower ball joint out of the hub, removed the axle nut, and swung the hub out of the way. And that lower ball joint, that was the fight. If you're doing this job, this is where your time goes. It's not the axle, it's not the brakes. This. Don't pry against the CV axle. Don't pry against the dust shield. You want pressure in the right spot, patience, and a little self-control everywhere else. This is the part no impact wrench review shows, because it doesn't look cool. It just sucks. For every nut and bolt in this entire job, I used one tool. Well, this and a wrench a couple times just to hold the back side of the lower ball joint. One cordless impact, no air tools. This thing fit everywhere it needed to, even the brake caliper bolts. No air hose, no compressor, no dragging anything around. I mean, sure, I could have used pneumatic tools. And honestly, that sound is like 50% of the reason we use them, let's be real. But convenience-wise, this wins every time. I didn't really think about the kit when I opened it. Most of the time, these are just fine. But everything I needed was already here. Correct socket sizes, except the axle nut, adapters, and no digging through drawers. I wasn't trying to be efficient. I wasn't babying it. I was just trying to get the job done. I also didn't plan this as a battery test, but I never swapped batteries. Both sides, axle work, brakes, and I was still on the first battery. It comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. That's not a flex. That's just one less thing to think about when you're already annoyed. And this is how I knew there was still juice left. Same battery, several days later, axle job and camper duty. That's real world enough for me. And yes, it does lug nuts, but that's not the test. Lug nuts are the warm-up lap, not the race. Real tool reviews don't happen in perfect conditions. They happen when you're frustrated, rushing, and fixing your own mistakes. I didn't plan to make an impact wrench review. I just used one like a normal person on a bad day. And honestly, that's the only test that matters.